Hello everyone, so you might have seen this type of images with 3D isometric city with the live weather data. As you can see, you can also create this type of images for free, and just copying the master prompt you can create any type of city that you want. And if you see that the weather date here and also the Celsius degree here are not corrected here, I'll also show you this. You can create the actual data like the real weather data to create an image with this. So first, you just need to head over to your Google Gemini. You can also use the mobile application of the Gemini app. Now you just need to click on Create Image and make sure to choose the Thinking Week Pro. Now here you just need to copy this master prompt here. I'll give the prompt in my description box so you can copy and paste it on your Gemini. Just paste it, and here you need to change something like city name, what type of city you're living in, or any other city that you want to create a weather image. So for example, I just type here Singapore, and if you go down, there's something you need to change is the temperature unit, like the temperature unit that you're going to need. If you want in Fahrenheit, you can tell it, or you can have Celsius or Kelvin. So I'll type here Celsius, and the aspect ratio, I'll choose the 1:1, which is great for social media, which is the square aspect ratio. We can use vertical or landscape 16:9. Now if you just click submit here, it will start to create the image with the actual data of the today's weather of the Singapore. So after a couple of minutes, our image has been ready. So it's going to take some time to create the image because, as you can see, it's going to search the web and give you the real-time weather. If I just click on this image, you can see today is December 17, 2025, and Singapore right now is 28 degrees Celsius. And if I go to this link here, this is currently getting the data from three website link. So if I just click on this one of the link here, as you can see, currently right now is 26 degrees Celsius, but the image gave me 28 degrees Celsius because it's getting all the information from 3 links and give you the estimated weather data here. So you can check all other website and see if data is accurate or not, but this is totally correct because this is the real-time data of today's weather data in Singapore. This also makes a picture of there is rain today, because today in Singapore is mostly cloudy, maybe there's some rain. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you. If you found this video helpful, I've also shared lots of Nano Banana prompt in this video and this video. If you found this type of video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.